Where were 1 and 2 Chronicles written? The books of 1 and 2 Chronicles were written a few centuries after the Israelites returned from Babylonian exile. This was a pivotal time. Jerusalem and the Second Temple were rebuilt, yet the grand prophetic dreams were still unfulfilled. The author, though unknown, had a clear mission: to rekindle hope by retelling the stories of David and Solomon. Chronicles highlights David's righteous reign and Solomon's temple building, portraying them as ideals for a future messianic king. It also emphasizes genealogies, tracing the lineages of kings and priests, linking the past, present, and future of Israel's history. The narrative ends with an unfinished story pointing to unfulfilled promises and a brighter future. The message? Despite struggles, God's promises remain, and hope for a messianic king endures. So, next time you read 1 and 2 Chronicles, remember their origins and the timeless hope they inspire. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Suwa Trending Topics.